What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best drill press. The drill press is one of the best tools for repetitive, precise drilling needs that a manual drill simply won't be able to match. If you're looking to make your time in the workshop a bit cumbersome, there are a lot of products available to choose to drill press, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drill press products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN Benchtop Drill Press. This budget drill press is the most affordable model that WEN has to offer, but there is no compromise on quality on the part of this manufacturer. Primarily suited for woodworking, this drill press is going to make drilling into wood or low-density metal an easy job. The 5-speed function allows you to easily adapt to the material, and the operation is very user-friendly. Small and easy to assemble, this is a great option for anyone who isn't swimming in space in their workshop. But despite the size, it retains power and stability with the 2.3 amp motor and cast iron base. Positive side of this product: 5 speeds that allow you to work on a broad range of material. Sturdy construction of base, column and table. Negative side of this product: not suitable for higher density metal. Number 2. Dremel Drill Press Workstation. Perfect for wood or metal hobbies, the Dremel Drill Press Workstation is a great multifunctional tool for any enthusiast. This corded electric 3-in-1 tool works as a drill press, a rotary tool holder, and a flex shaft tool stand. Its amazing functional design also means that the workstation can transform any Dremel corded rotary tool and some cordless rotary tools into a drill press. It has a strong motor and a sturdy metal base with 4 clamping points that can be securely mounted on a workbench or table. There is a virtually innumerable number of tasks that can be done with the Dremel workstation, from simple drilling tasks to complex wood decoration, carving, and stone engraving. This articulating drill press has a drill depth of 2 inches and allows you to drill perpendicular and angled holes in 15 degrees increments. If you need to polish different metal objects, sand different shapes, and grind metal pieces, the Dremel workstation can hold a tool at 90 degrees. The flexible shaft tool stand can also be adjusted telescopically from 16 inches to 29 inches. Precise drilling is so easy to achieve, as the assembly base is marked with inches and metric measurements. Number 3. DEWALT Drill Press. This incredibly versatile magnetic DEWALT DWE 1622K 2-inch drill press is a great choice for anyone who works with steel regularly. Designed for tough applications, the DWE 1622K offers you excellent drilling performance. It has a sturdy design, and the ultra-powerful 10-amp motor has 2 highly responsive 300 to 450 RPM speeds. As the drill has 4 3/8-inch spindle travel, it can cut through the thickest of steel and other types of workpieces. Featuring a convenient user-friendly design, the quick change system allows for easy tool-free changes between a 3/4-inch Weldon shank and 1/2-inch key chuck. The quick-release feed handles can be mounted on either side of the machine, which is ideal for working in confined spaces. If you are a beginner, you will appreciate how simple it is to use this machine. As well as the large green and red on-off buttons, the tool comes with an easy-to-understand user manual. Number 4. Genesis Amp Drill Press. Easy to set up and more powerful than some of its price range competitors, the Genesis drill press can be exactly what you need if you're looking to increase the accuracy and power of your drilling. Level up from a manual drill with a drill press that's heavy enough to reduce vibration, increase precision and stand the test of time, but light enough to move around at will. For the best experience, make sure to assemble carefully, tightening all of its nuts and bolts. Although this drill press doesn't come with a laser, the powerful motor makes up for it. Positive side of this product: its chuckle will handle larger bits as well. The 4.1 amp motor is powerful and quiet. Negative side of this product: suitable for more light-duty jobs. Number 5. JET JWDP Drill Press. The JET JWDP 12 is the most expensive drill press on our list, but it's also the most powerful. This drill press is exquisite, and it's suitable for projects big and small, with its 1/2 horsepower motor that can bore a hole in anything you throw at it. With a maximum of 3 spindle travel, you won't have any depth issues. Make no mistake, this model is heavy, especially when compared with the other budget-friendly options on our list. But for what it can do, it's surprisingly portable. Quiet and smooth, this is a high-power tool that's versatile and solid, and it will handle your drilling needs for a good while. Product features: compact benchtop design allows for easy transport. 10x16 1/8 cast iron base fits neatly on workbenches with limited space. Large stable base prevents tipping and suppresses vibration. Heavy-duty 1/2 HP induction motor for a variety of drilling applications. Positive side of this product: powerful 1/2 horsepower motor. High accuracy. Suited for larger projects. Negative side of this product: high price point. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.